At this time?
No!
Yes,
you can't arrest me without a woman!
Yes, you can.
Yes, we can.
Get me a woman!
On the 24th of October 2023, officers noticed a driver was swerving into incoming traffic. Assuming the driver was intoxicated, the officers performed a traffic stop to investigate the situation.
All right, man. Yes, that's fine. Do you have your license, registration, insurance on you? And I just need to let you know that you are being recorded on body camera. Okay.
What did I do?
You, there were two police cars pulled onto the side of the road with their lights on.
I know, and I was so terrified.
Okay. Yeah, you need to get over anytime you see lights.
I did.
You didn't?
Yes, I did.
Oh. Okay, man. I'm not going to argue. Where are you coming from tonight?
My husband and I are divorced.
Okay.
So I dropped my son off. He's special needs.
Okay.
In Homedale.
Okay. So you said you're coming from dropping your son off in Homedale?
Yes.
Okay. How much have you had to drink tonight?
Nothing.
Okay, ma'am. I can smell the alcohol coming off your breath right now, and also your eyes are very glossy and bloodshot. Okay. How much have you had to drink tonight?
9 minutes.
9 what?
Ounces.
9 ounces of what?
Wine.
Wine? How long ago was that?
2 hours ago.
2 hours ago? Okay. You had more than 9 ounces of wine because I could smell it.
Haven't.
Okay.
No, I haven't.
Well, you said you were just dropping your son off, so where did you have the wine at?
Friday.
Fridays? Okay, yeah. Just shut the car off too, man. Keep and get your insurance and the registration out still. You don't have to put your hands up. Go ahead and get your license or the insurance and the registration out. All right. And do you have the registration card?
No, it's all in here.
Okay. All right. Just hang out.
I do have everything's up to date.
Okay. All right. Hold on 1 second. You mind hold on for this? All right, ma'am. Can you step out of the car so I can talk to you out here?
I want your lights off for the... Put it on 1.
Yeah, you can step out. Okay. So, just be honest with me. How much have you had to drink tonight? You had more than 9 ounces of wine because I can smell it. Your eyes are bloodshot.
I had 9 ounces.
How do you know you had 9 ounces?
Because I was at Fridays.
Okay. They measure it by ounces there?
I don't know.
Okay. So, how do you know he had 9 ounces then?
I don't know.
Okay. How many glasses of wine did you have?
There?
Yep.
2.
2? Okay. Because before you said you had 9 ounces, now you had 2 glasses of wine.
Well, I don't know.
Okay. And how long ago were you at Fridays?
Half hour ago.
Half hour ago? Okay. Because you told me that you just dropped your son off.
I did.
Okay. Was that before or was that before or after you were at Fridays?
After.
After? Okay. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a couple tests with you. I'm going to see if you're okay to drive, okay? Hands down on your sides. Do you have any problems with your eyes? Do you wear glasses or contacts?
I do wear glasses.
What do you wear the glasses for?
See?
Yeah, I understand that. Is it for vision? Is it for distance? Is it for reading?
Both.
Okay. How come you're not wearing your glasses tonight?
Because I'm driving.
Okay. You don't need to wear them to drive? Okay. Alright, so what I'm going to have you do is, can you see the tip of this pen right here? Mm-hmm. Okay. What I need you to do is follow the tip of the pen with your eyes and your eyes only, okay? Don't move your head at all. Do you understand? You understand? Say yes or no.
Yeah.
Yes? Okay. Alright, just follow the tip of the pen with your eyes, alright? Just your eyes, that you're moving your head, alright? Alright, just follow it with your eyes. Keep looking at the pen.
Sorry.
Nope, don't move your head, alright?
Sorry.
Just look straight at the pen. Alright. So, for this next test, do you have any issues with your legs? Do you walk fine? You can walk fine?
I think so.
You think so, or do you have any issues, like injuries to your legs that would make you not be able to walk? Okay. Place your left foot on the line. Yep, your left foot. Put your right foot in front of your left, with your right heel touching your left toe. Right heel touching your left toe. Yep. Now keep your arms down at your sides. Arms down at your sides. Don't fall over.
Tell me what you need me to do, and I can do it.
Yep, I'm telling you. You gotta put your left foot down, your right foot behind it, okay? Arms down at your sides. Alright, just stay like that while I explain the directions, okay? Understand? Okay. So from that position, you're gonna take 9 heel-to-toe steps straight ahead. On your 9th step, you're gonna keep your front foot down, and you're gonna take a series of small steps to turn around, okay?
It's not gonna happen. Can't do that even when I'm sober.
Okay. So from there, you're going to take 9 steps down the line. All right. So we're going to skip that one. We'll go to the next one, all right?
At this point, it's clear that the woman is highly intoxicated and has had far more to drink than her supposed 9 ounces of wine.
This next test, you're going to stand with your feet together. Your hands, feet together, hands down at your sides. All right? You can look at me. So, for this test, I'm going to have you pick up one leg of your choice. You're going to pick it up approximately 6 inches off the ground with your foot pointing straight out, like just like this. All right. You're going to look down at your foot and you're going to count 1001, 1002, 1003 until I tell you to stop. Okay. Okay. So, do you want me to explain that again, or you understand? Do you understand?
Yes.
I'll explain again if you don't understand. All right. You can begin.
Begin what?
Begin the test.
Lift my foot?
Yep, lift one. I just explained it to you and you said you understood. Alright, go. You can. Go ahead, count out loud.
What do I have to do?
I just explained it to you, alright? I can explain it to you one more time if you like.
Dude,
Alright, man. So,
I feel really...
We're just around you so you don't fall down and hurt yourself or fall into your car. That's
I'm from
the only reason why we're
Ireland.
standing next to you.
So, all of you being men,
okay, man. That has nothing to do with that.
do not,
So, come over
do
here.
not get me a woman.
Okay, we don't have a woman working right now. So.
Get me a woman.
Alright, relax. We don't have a woman working. So.
Get me a woman.
Okay. So, right now, you're...
I come from Ireland.
Okay.
Okay?
That's fine. Alright, all of a
You
sudden...
know how many times we...
You're under arrest at this time.
No!
Yes, you are.
You can't arrest me without a woman!
Yes, you can.
Yes, we can.
Get
Relax.
me a woman!
Turn around. Stand on your back.
I will
Relax.
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 Really?
Relax.
Get me a woman! Really?
Okay. Come on.
I want a lawyer.
Okay.
I have 4
That's fine.
male. No! I have
Stand up.
4 male officers.
All right. Go ahead. Sit down in the car. Okay.
I have 4. No!
Ma'am, sit in the car. Sit in-
Without
Sit in the
a
car.
female, I will not get in the car. You are taking away all my rights.
Get in the car now.
Shut the fuck up. Get me a woman. Get me a female.
It's yours.
Yeah.
You f***ing took away my rights. Go ahead. I'm gonna sue you,
I'll take that.
motherfuckers.
Thank you.
And the IRA will fucking come for you. You f***ing
39.
asshole.
I'll be transporting one adult female from this location to headquarters. She's 41, starting mileage 55473.3.
You will be shot by the
Bring your cell phone back to headquarters after
You
this,
know
so you
that,
can call a ride
right?
later.
You know that,
Temple.
right? You know that it's gonna be when you're not expecting. You hear me? You better pray. I come from northern f***ing Ireland, okay? You will die very soon. You hear me? You hear me?
After giving the officers such a hard time during the arrest, one could assume that she would have calmed down on ride to the station, right? Wrong. Watch as things escalate to a whole new level when the officers try to book her.
Man, you gonna be good? You stop fighting? Come on. Come out of the vehicle.
I need to talk to Craig.
Okay.
Get me Craig. Now. Get me Craig
stop.
Weber.
Stop.
Now. No. I want Craig. Get me him now. I'm not moving.
No one stay right there.
You get me Craig
right
Weber. Get me Craig, and
up to
I'll
you.
do whatever you want me to do. Get Craig. Okay?
He can't be called right now.
Really? I have his number in my phone. Either you call him or I call him.
You can call him when you leave here, but
Right. I need a drink of water, please.
once we're done with the testing,
No.
we'll get you some.
I need a drink of water, please.
We can't do that right now.
I need a drink of water, and I need Craig Weber to come here and take your fucking hands off.
Are you gonna
of
stay
me.
sitting?
Take your.
All right, you gonna Are you gonna stay sitting?
Take your hands off.
I'm asking you, are you gonna stay sitting?
Take your hands off.
All right, we're gonna take our hands off, but you gotta stay sitting, okay?
Don't read me.
Okay, I'm gonna read it to you.
No.
So you've been arrested. You've been arrested for driving while intoxicated.
No.
The law requires you submit samples of your breath for the purpose of testing to determine alcohol content. A record of the taking of the breath samples, including the test results, will be made. Upon your request, a copy of the record will be made available to you. After you're provided samples of your breath for testing, you have the right at your own expense to have a person or physician of your own selection take independent samples of your breath, blood, or urine for independent testing. If you refuse to provide samples of your breath, you will be issued a separate summons for the refusal. A court may find you guilty of both refusal and driving while intoxicated. If a court finds you guilty of the refusal, you will be subject to various penalties, including license revocation of up to 20 years, a fine of up to $2,000, installation of an ignition interlock, and referral to an intoxicated driver resource center. These penalties may be in addition to penalties imposed by the court. For any other offense of which you are found guilty, you have no legal right to an attorney, physician, or anyone else present. For the purpose of taking the breath samples, you have no legal right to refuse to give or delay giving samples of your breath. Any response from you that is ambiguous or conditional in any respect to my request that you provide breath samples will be treated as a refusal to submit to breath testing. Even if you agree to take the test, then do not follow my instructions, do not properly perform the test, or do not provide sufficient breath samples, I will charge you with refusal to submit to breath testing.
Anything you are saying.
Will you submit to samples of your breath?
Need water. Look at my lips.
Ask her the next one.
Look.
Your answer is not acceptable. The law requires that you submit samples of your breath for breath testing. If you do not answer or answer with anything other than yes, I will charge you with refusal.
Look at me. I don't hear what you're saying.
I ask you again, will you submit to breath testing?
I need a drink of water. Look at my lips.
Which
one you want to drink?
Okay, what makes you feel bad, guys? What makes... Don't you dare take my rings off. Get me Craig Webber right now. And some water. Some water.
Water in the sink.
Good job, guys! Good job!
After a tumultuous evening full of colorful insults, the officers finally managed to process the woman and charge her with DUI. She spent the rest of the night in the drunk tank until she was finally released the next morning.